Okay, so let's take a look at multiplying binomials. Okay, so this is a binomial and this is a binomial. We're going to multiply these binomials together. And as we looked at the algebra tiles today, when we do this, there's a lot involved. We have to first multiply the first parts. So z times z is z squared. Okay, and that we can call f. If you want something to memorize it by, I'm going to say FOIL as well. And then we need to do z times this piece, so z times -5. So we like to write that as -5z. And these are the outsides, right? So we've got the outsides. And then we're going to do the inside, so +3 times z, so that's going to be +3z. Those are the insides of these, multiplying these binomials. And then the last part of this will be doing +3 times -5, which would give us -15. Oops, and so I'll just put the L over here. So if you want something to memorize it by, you can think about FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. And let's go ahead and combine any like terms. So are there any other z squared terms? No, so z squared will be part of my answer. Are there any other z terms? Yes. So we've got -5 and 3 of these, so we've got -2z. And are there any other terms, constants, that just a number by themselves? And no. So this will be our answer. Okay, let's have another look. So again, let's do first 4h times h will give me 4h squared. Let's do the outside terms. 4h times 2, which is +8h. Inside terms, -3 times h, which is -3h. And then the last terms, which is -3 times 2, which is -6. So just be really careful. When you're doing these arrows, you're doing multiplication because we're multiplying these binomials. But then afterwards, you're doing addition when you're combining the like terms. Here I've got 2 like terms, so that's going to be 5h. This one doesn't have any like terms, so this will just be by itself. And this one also doesn't have any like terms, so this will also just be part of my answer. And I know that's a +5h. Okay, so that's the multiplication of those two binomials.